Today's project is going to be seed throws. These are little balls of paper that have seeds in them, so when you throw them outside and it rains, it'll release the seeds into the ground and you'll grow really pretty plants, and you can spread all kinds of different native wild flowers. So what you'll need for this project is a bowl of water, construction paper, some type of seeds, preferably something that is native to Illinois. So this is a butterfly and hummingbird mix, so it should be safe in our area. But you can also use milkweed, which would attract monarch butterflies. And a mold. I'm going to be using a star mold. To make the seed throws, you're going to start with construction paper. You can also actually use old newspaper and old ads. And what you have to do is cut them up into small pieces. So there's two ways to do this. I'm going to do it the way that doesn't require a blender, but you can also use a blender to do this as well. So in the blender, you would just cut it down and pour water and blend it, and that'll give you the pulp. In this case, we're just going to cut it into pieces, small pieces, soak it for a couple minutes, and it will turn into a nice pulp that we can do whatever we want with. So I'm using a mix of light and dark pink, just to make it interesting. The paper will bleed into the bowls, so make sure you don't use bowls that you're planning on eating out of anytime soon. So now I'm just going to add water, and I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes. So make sure you get all the water in. Then we just let it sit. So off camera, I drained the water out of the paper and I squeezed it dry. So you don't want the paper too wet, but you don't want it too damp either, because if it's too damp, it'll make the seeds sprout, and that kind of defeats the purpose. So you'd have to plant them like right away. So I'm going to take this paper now, and I am going to pour in some seeds, and that is way too much seeds. So we will get rid of that. Alright, so I have added the seeds now, and I'm going to roll them up into my little paper pieces and make balls with them. You can also, if they are shredded finely enough, you can put them in molds. I'm finding that I like the balls better. So I'm just going to make a ball and then set it aside. So I'm making sure that I have some seeds on the inside. So I just pinch them, pop it in, then I wrap it, and I just keep adding paper until I get a nice ball that I like. So, and you can put the seeds in other layers too to make it more fun. And you will do that until all of your paper is gone. So you can make as many or as few as you want. So these should be used responsibly. Make sure that you're mostly doing it in your own yard or people who would appreciate the plants. Make sure that you're watching what type of seeds that you are using, because they need to be safe for that area. You don't want to add invasive plants in that'll knock out the native plants. So, and try to pick things that you think that the butterflies and the birds would like, because butterflies are very important for nature. So are bees. So after we get them all rolled up just the way we like, so I have 3 little throwies, I will let these dry, and they take about 24 hours to dry, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope you create this project yourself soon.